Hi, I'm Martin Mijares. I'm a graduate student from the University of Santo Tomas. I started in this business when I was in fourth year college. So just to share you a story about my student life, I did not have any source of income during that time. And of course, we teenagers and college students would like to have money to spend for our own, from not asking from our parents. And of course, we have a lot of things to prove to our parents about earning money. So now I joined this business not knowing what will happen to me, not knowing how much I'll earn, not knowing that I could reach my goals by joining this company and getting what I want. So when I joined this company, I found success. I found success. I found the power to buy what I want, to give my parents what they wanted, and also I proved a lot to my parents, showing them that I could earn my own money without their permission, without asking capital from them. So now I'd like to invite you to join our company and also experience it the way I did, and hoping that you would experience the same thing. And it will always be a risk at first. You'll always have the benefit of the doubt. Will I earn? Will I make money? Will I be successful? Or will I be a failure? In this company or in life, you'll be a failure if you choose to be a failure. And if you want to be successful, it's because you worked for it and you chose to be successful. You choose your own destiny. And that's what I could share. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anton Asanya, 22 years old, just graduated from Sancho Escolar University. I took up computer programming there. Maybe you're wondering kung bakit ako nandito sa business na to. Kasi wala akong studying isang bagay na realize ko. Bakit may dalawang tao sa mundo? Which is yung taong isa, you have too much money, and the other one is not enough money. Lagi nasa baba yung not enough money, di ba? Kasi yung mga mindset yan, after they graduated, kailangan nila maghanap ng trabaho, which is yung hanap buhay. Papasok yan everyday, 8 hours a day, pinapaglitan pa yung boss niya. Tapos, ang salary nila, fixed, tama? Sa kabilang banda yung nasa ibabaw, they call it yung too much money. People na who's working, pero they have money to invest sa mga business nila. Ang concept naman nun is, they'll let their money work for them. Hindi sila nagtatrabaho para sa pera. Yung mga nasa kabila, sila, nagtatrabaho sila for the money. The other side, sila, ang pera nagtatrabaho for them. Ano mas gusto mong side? Sa ibabaw, sa baba? Pinili ko yun nasa ibabaw. Nakita ko yun sa View Mobile. Paano natin ginawa yun? Dito, you're doing business. At the same time, you're helping people. Nasa yun, decision mo bang magtrabaho? Gusto mong magnegosyo? Sa negosyo, hindi mo kailangan isugal yung oras mo. Isugal mo lang dito pera. Pero, ang maganda dito, hindi fix ang salary mo. Maganda dito kasi meron ditong blank check. You can put your money there. Ikaw bahala magkano gusto mong sweldo. Every month, you can go all the way. So, nasa iyo yun. Anong decision mo? Hopefully, you can join us here in View Mobile and hope to do business with you soon.
Hi, ako nga pala si Aaron. 19 years old, estudyante sa Central Escolar University. So yun, pinakita sa akin itong negosyo na to. Noong una, nagduda ako. Kasi bakit? Pinakita sa akin ito, estudyante nga ako. Unang-una estudyante ako. Pangalawa, wala akong pera. Yun yung matinding problema lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas. So, yung ginawa ko, sinusyonan ko lang yung problema ko. Umutang ako, nagbenta ako ng gamit. In the end, meron akong pang-invest sa isang negosyo na alam ko, lalaki yung pera ko. So kung ako, estudyante, nagawa ko ng paraan, lalo na ikaw, nagtapos ka na pag-aaral mo, kaya mo rin gawin yan.
Hi, my name is Moses. I'm a fourth year college student. Nung una talaga, naalok na rin ako sa ibang network. Hindi ako sumasali. Kasi, iba yung dating parang sa commitment. Walang chemistry. So, yung inalok ako ni Martin na to join. So, parang may na-feel ako. I don't wanna say kung ano yung na-feel ko, pero parang parang may chemistry yung company na, I like it. Actually, syempre, estudyante lang ako, minsan gipit ka din sa pera. So, what I did is, binenta ko yung phone ko. Inisip ko na lang na ito yung phone ko, mawawala. Pag kumita naman din ako after or soon, diba? I could get a phone that's better than that phone, diba? Saka for me, hindi ako sumali dito because, because of the investment or because of the, because of the company. Sa akin, I joined this group kasi I know na malaki ang potential ng company to. That's it. Go for it.
Hi, ako nga pala si Robbie Munoy, isang estudyante ng College of St. Benilde. Unang-una ba't ako sumali dito? Napakaliit ng kapital. Kahit isang estudyante, kaya na ma-afford, pero ang laki ng kapalit. Di ba? Tapos pangalawa, pwede tayo makatulong sa ibang tao. Yung mga taong walang negosyo, na sapat lang ang kayang pera, pwede din natin sila tulungan sa ganitong negosyo. Ngayon, pangatlo, sa ginagawa ko ngayon, nakakatulong na ako sa magulang ko. Di ba? Sa edad kong to, kaya ko. Ano pa sa edad mo? Ba't mo pa sisimulan bukas kung kaya mo naman simulan ngayon?
Yes, good morning. I'm Robert Ramos, sales consultant sa Hyundai Green Hills. This is my passion and forte. I have businesses of my own, like piggery, Wi-Fi, and buy and sell of car. Kaya ako sumali ng V-Mobile is because of the system. Number 2, products. Madaling ibenta, kahit sino pwedeng bumili. Ang pinaka-importante dito ay kumita ka ng milyon, basta alam mo ang binibenta mo, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, at magkaroon ka ng confidence. Anyway, katulad ng sinabi ko, marami akong negosyo, marami sakit ng ulo, at ang araw ay 2 to 3 years, minsan 5 years pa yan. Skeptical din ako sa una. Pero ano ba yung 8,888? Ang 8,888, kapag nag-buy-in tayo at ginawa natin ang negosyo, magtiwala lang tayo sa sarili natin, at kung kausapin lang natin ang mga tao, mga kaibigan natin, mga mahal natin sa buhay, ano bang mangyayari sa atin? Kikita tayo ng pera. At mababalik sa atin ang puhunan natin nang walang kahirap-hirap. Magtiwala lang tayo sa sarili natin at sa kumpanya.